Quick, graph y equals the opposite of the natural log of x by hand, two different ways. This is part of the family of functions series. You will need graph paper, or you can download this PDF and print it. Press pause as needed anytime during this video. The first way is with the natural log dance. Recall that the graph of a function and its opposite are reflections about the x-axis. That is, they have the same x-coordinates, but the opposites for their y-coordinates. Points will be plotted with respect to the origin, and please recall also that the natural log of x and e to the x are inverses of each other. That is, we just interchange the ordered pairs. Normally we would begin with 1, 0 on the natural log dance, and since the opposite of 0 is 0, we will plot 1, 0. Recall these powers of e. You need to know those for both the e and the natural log functions. Write 2.7 down 1 because the opposite of the natural log of e is -1 and e is 2.7, so it's 2.7 down the 1. Write 7.4 down 2. The opposite of the natural log of e squared is -2. And e squared is about 7.4. Write 0.4 up 1. The opposite of the natural log, the reciprocal of e, is 0.4. So write 0.4 up 1. And the opposite of the natural log of e to the -2 power is +2. And 1 over e squared is 0.14. So write 0.14 up 2. Draw the asymptote, and it's the line x equals 0. Connect the points. Compare it to the parent function, y equals the natural log of x, and you can see that the graphs are reflections of each other about the x-axis. Second way, using a table. Again, recall that the natural log function and e to the x function are inverses of each other. And these are the powers of e that we're supposed to know. So when we make our table, it's just the ordered pairs are reversed. The x and y coordinates are reversed. We need to take the opposite of each of the y coordinates, leaving the x coordinates the same. So our first point is going to be 7.4, -2, so we'll plot that. Next point is 2.7, -1. So go ahead and finish the table and plot those 3 points. Press pause to do so and resume when you're ready. The opposite of 0 is 0, so 1, 0. 0.4, +1. And 0.14, +2. Connect the points. Put in our boundary line, the asymptote, the y-axis, or the line x equals 0. And when we compare it to the natural log parent function, the graphs are reflections about the x-axis.